First, you want to import an avatar, and then add in a circle by clicking Shift A, and then resizing it the way I do. I do it by clicking S, which is scale. You want to go into edit mode once you have it scaled, making sure you're on edge select, and then click E and move it up on the Z axis, scale it in a bit, and press F at the very top to give it a fill. And at the very bottom edge, press E, scale it down, and then resize it by clicking S. Then you want to bevel the very top edge, and then go into object mode, shade smooth, geometry, normals, and check shade smooth. And then you can check the face orientation to make sure it's blue. I then added a solidify modifier to make sure it had more than one edge, or side I should say. And here I'm just selecting one side of the hat in front view, clicking U, project from view, flipping over to the other side, U, project from view, and then resizing it in the UV map. I just put them both on top of each other, but you can do whatever you want and however you want to shade it. But by putting them on top of each other, I just got one, and I just matched up all the vertices, and then to select them all together, just click A. So after I'm done this, I'm gonna make the UV map 256 by 256, and you'll see how I do it in a second. I just click the little new button up there, and I can change the size of the UV map. I'm gonna do the same when I go into the texture. I'm going to go into the tab, then at the side add a new texture, the same size as the other time. And then I'm going to click that little picture frame and select the material I just made, and then I'm going to color and shade it. Usually I'd export it and go into a different app like paint.net, but I'm just going to show you inside of Blender, and all I really do is use blur, smudge, and mess with the opacity a bit. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave tutorials you want me to do in the comments, and I will try to do them. And yeah, thank you. Leave a like and subscribe, please.